YouTube, it's Hadrian here. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new episode of the vlog. It is really overcast. It's been, look at those clouds. I don't even know if you can see it. It's like one giant cloud in the sky. It's super gray. It's been raining. It stopped right now. But John and I are gonna go pick up my car, so I'm super excited about that. I got an oil change yesterday, but I just left it because I dropped it off a little bit later. Right now I'm gonna put some stuff into the recycle, and then John and I are gonna head out. Hi, John. John. People want you to say hi to them. Yes. Hey guys, okay, so I'm outside and it's so windy and cold. I have my packages ready to go to the post office, and today's bag of the day is my gorgeous new Balenciaga bag. It's so cute. And my little traffic cone Anya Hinmark keychain charm thing. It's so adorable. I love it. But I'm actually gonna go grab an umbrella just in case it starts raining. Alright you guys, I was trying to avoid this, but the closer I got to the post office, the crazier the rain got, and it is like raining pretty hard now. So I'm just gonna be running in and out and trying to not get too wet. Alright you guys, we are at Trader Joe's now. I'm just gonna pick up a couple things, then we're gonna go to the bank, and then we're gonna go to the Goodwill after that. But look at that, it is raining. The rain has subsided just a little bit, it's not as strong, but definitely still raining. You guys know I'm dying for these little hydrangeas, but I think I'm gonna be getting one of these potted basil plants. Alright you guys, I just got some coffee bean ice cream and favorite orange chickens, got a couple of those. I think I'm gonna get some of these ghost pepper potato chips for the kids. They're like some of their favorite, which is really funny, but Cade really likes them, so does Zach. Alright you guys, just made it to the bank. Let's go. Alright you guys, so the sun has actually come back out. It stopped raining. The cloud, like the sun is like peering in through like the little holes in the clouds. So, but anyway, we're here at the Goodwill, so I am super excited to go inside and check it out. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is going to be their, what's it called? Dollar Thursday for the color of the week. So today we're gonna go scouting and see if there's anything worth coming tomorrow early for, and it has to be pretty good because tomorrow is supposed to be like the rainiest of days this week. So I don't know if I want to sit outside in the rain for an hour while I'm waiting for the Goodwill to open. So unless it's like super good, I'm not gonna come, but it's always good to see what they have. So let's go check it out. Maybe they have something good for us today. So I'm at the cart and I found this little Coach like a wristlet. It's kind of cute. I like the design on it. It's $7.99. There's also this Michael Kors that's $8.99, but it looks like someone vomited inside, so I'm definitely not gonna get it. It's so gross. Alright you guys, I'm just looking through the bags there. Still don't have like a lot of stuff, as you can see. It's like, where'd everything go? Look at this. Nothing. What is this? Tyler Roden? Yeah, other than those, that Michael Kors bag in the back though is like something else. Like I don't even know what to do with that. It just looks so gross inside. I don't even want to look at it. So I'm very sorry if that like grossed you guys out when I showed it to you. But yeah, that bag, very intense. Checking out the stuff they have over here in the home decor. How cute is this? It's like a boat slash a fish slash a little cubby bookcasey kind of thing. $4.99. It's so cute, but it's so tiny. Like I wouldn't be able to really put anything in there, so I'm just gonna leave it. Oh, this is cute. It's like a brass seashell bookend. Oh, this is kind of cute too. Another brass kind of shell thing. This is pretty. Totally kind of go together like that. There's that little bunny thing. There's like a little person with a candle holder. Okay. Oh my gosh, this little bird. $3.99. He's cute. Little fairies. Ooh. $3.99, made in Japan. Oh, this is kind of fun too. I like the colors in that. And here accent Tuscany collection. Alright, let's check out the glassware. This is interesting. Oh, how cute. Oh, little pears for $2.99. Those are cute. How pretty is that? JCPenney home collection. They have an 80-piece block set, I think. Oh, $6.99. Not horrible, but kids already have a lot of blocks. 3-stage bath center. Random backpack. Bag mags. See if they have anything good here. Oh, they're playing Mariah Carey. How whimsical is this little vase? It's so cute. It looks like it's made in Japan. It's cute, I love the colors. Well, you guys know I couldn't resist looking at the cups, Cafe Arts. This looks like that Louis Vuitton bag right now with like the painting of Venus on it. The Aphrodite. I love golf. Looks like little pumpkins. What is this? Corningware. Alright, I'm looking through the shoes and I pretty much made my way through. Look at these Audrey Brooks. These are kind of cute. Made my way pretty much through all of the aisles already. Haven't really found anything. It seems like they're still trying to replenish all their stuff from before. It's been a few days, but it's still really bare in here. So Relic. They have this Drama Queen sweater from Zara. Kind of cute. I'm trying to find the color. Oh, there it is. It's purple. It's not on sale, but what are these things? Okay, I found this Nike sweater. Green, size medium. I love the color of the green. It's very bright and vibrant. It's kind of nice. It's in pretty good condition too, I think. What do you guys think? Alright, you guys, I just found this jacket. It looks like it's from like the Yeezy collection, and it looks like it's almost that print that Kanye West is getting sued for from that company, saying that he stole their print. And I don't know, it's kind of cool. It's definitely very now. And Old Navy surplus. But why do I kind of like this jacket? I think I'm gonna have to try it on. It's an extra large, nice and oversized. I like the color. Alright, you guys, here's the jacket. It's kind of cute on. I kind of like it. I found another jacket that looks like the Yeezy jacket. Alright, you guys, I just left the store. I got the jacket. It's so cute. I had to get it. But now we're gonna head back home. Hey guys, so right now I'm inside my room and I'm actually gonna get started working on the Fendi bag that I bought from, where did I buy it? Savers, like 2 weeks ago, I believe. And I needed to repair it, and I think I'm gonna repair it today. So check out this morning's video that went up this morning. That's gonna be the handbag rehab for it. Well, actually, let me show you guys the bag right now so you can see it. Okay, here's the bag, and this is what was wrong with it. This part just got ripped out. So we're gonna be rehabbing this right now. So check out that video from this morning and see how it turned out. Okay, you guys, this is what Mom made for. Mom, what is this? It's salmon. What?
Oh.
Salmon something. She did a little. Ooh. And these are all thrifted. Tuscan salmon.
Butter salmon.
Tuscan butter salmon. She also made some Super Toscana. Yum. Oh, here is the food. It looks so delicious. So here's the salmon, a top, some noodles. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the bag, but I'm not gonna show, like, I want to tell you that the rehab was successful, but again, check out that video to see how it was done, but it works perfectly. Hear that little click and ding, it opens up beautifully, but I'm not going to show you anything. You guys gotta check out that video to see it yourselves. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast today with you guys, and you know what, that rain, I can't believe it, like really only rained pretty hard when I was going to the post office and not wanting it to rain because I had to go back and forth with a bunch of boxes, but it's totally okay. Of course that would totally happen to me. And then it didn't rain the rest of the day, but it is, I think it's actually raining right now, but yeah. I'm so excited too for my jacket. It's actually in the wash right now because I do want to wear it, especially while it's raining. It's perfect. It's the best size, and it has a hood and it's like waterproof, so love it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, don't forget to please give this video a big thumbs up. Say hi down below in the comments. I love talking to you guys as well. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow for a new video. And again, I do post 2 videos every single day. One at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and one at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The morning is a thrifting type of video or like a handbag rehab, and then the evening video is a vlog. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys mañana. Adios. Yeah, definitely think. Other bags we have in here for us. Marvin's Kamuro. Someone like drop off their collection. Here's a Ferragamo Coach. Another, oh, this is really nice. This is like definitely a fake Louis Vuitton.